Number of rank x. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. In this video, we learn to solve mathematic problems. Number of rank x. Problem number 1. Find the value of x. From the equation 4 to the power of x minus 6 to the power of x equal 9 to the power of x. Divided each number by 4x, and we get we have 1 minus 3 by 2 to the power of x equal 3 by 2 to the power of 2x. Consider 3 by 2 to the power of x equal u. U is positive number. One minus u equals u square. From this equation, we get a equals 1, b equals 1, c equals minus 1. From this equation, we get a equals 1, b equals 1, c equals minus 1. Remember ABC formula. We get u1 and u2 equals minus 1 plus minus square root of 5 by 2. Choose the positive number. Minus 1 plus square root of 5 by 2. Consider that 3 by 2 to the power of x equals u. U is greater than 0. Positive number. We get x equals 1.188. Problem number 2. Three to the power of x plus 3 to the power of minus x by 2 equals 5. Find x. Do the cross multiplication. We get three to the power of x. 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals 10. 3 to the power of x. Consider 3 to the power of x equals u. U is greater than 0. Positive number. U square minus 1 equals 10 u. A equals 1. B equals minus 10. C equals minus 1. Remember ABC formula. And U1 and U2 equals U1 and U2 equals 10 plus minus square root of 104 by 2. We choose the positive number. Consider 3 to the power of x equals u. U is greater than 0. Positive number. Remember this logarithm formula. We get x equals 2.105.